Batisi TV, Lone Rashapi da ka Frank Motors, ka Jaka Dekali ka Batamai jong ka Tata Motors, Halatko ni Shillong, Ringkat Bakanet Foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakir Dobying Jompi.
Ringkat lang bat kepertai baro kawai ka seng rangba Catholic bernihat parish hagas nisa jan ka sautere ko pena jeleo arjar arpuar kala rakhe ya ka World Environment Day lani ka sni ban penne pensa ya ka Mei Mariang da ka bathong hado shispa san pautli kitren riding ha plau jong ka Saviors Secondary School Baridwari Bhoi District hagi benta jong ka snong Baridwa. Hagini kasnile simbentalang do MLA jong Jirang constituency uba sustenance sotun uba longgum kongsan harengkat kajing donlang jong MDC uba Victor Rani uparis priest jong bernihat parish Father Anil Joseph ke headmistress jong Xavier Secondary School ke Sister Molly ki kena school bat ki nongsong snong jong snong Baridwa. Amtang mansurakhi pendap rukam ya kene kasngi henrai ka sengkala ajing hikai shiki pajba baki dai ban sngoto halor ka jingkor dor ban yada bat ban penne pensa ya ka Mei Mariang.
Only one earth we don't tang away the birthday. Kane ka tuwe ka bagi ke This is our beloved mother, what we call earth. Everything we have are living resources, whatever incomes, whatever enjoyment, Mother Earth provides us. What I need to narrate through that story which I told you. Now, destruction everywhere. Not only in one place. Our carelessness, greed, power, money. Earth is being destroyed. This is our mother. We should not wait that our mother earth will be put into an ICU. It is high time for us to collectively work together, to collectively come forward. Don't scare for any issues that destroy our motherland. My dear students, you are the future of tomorrow. We will want and we will not want to let you by this present world to steal your future. As the chairman has narrated, Igual bertemu dengan dia kan sah kan kenang ramai diberi baru diberi besar kalau dia memang video ada jumpa dia video ada jumpa dia.
You come to our parish, we see we have a Capuchins or Franciscans have a special love for the nature. We used to give some animals. We have rabbits. We have some birds. We used to have cows. So if you come to our parish, you can see all these things. So the background is that. So we have a love for the nature. And our founder, St. Francis of Assisi, he had a special love for all the creatures. Therefore, we praise God through the creation. And I'm really happy, and I want to thank our St. Ramba for organizing this World Environmental Day. Though it is tomorrow, we are celebrating today, so we don't want to cancel it, because tomorrow being Sunday, then people won't be free, and also we have some other programs also. So therefore, first of all, I thank our St. Ramba and all the members of St. Ramba for organizing this beautiful program. that we are totally dependent on Earth, Mother Earth, for our food, for the air, for the oxygen we breathe, and for the clothing we wear, and for everything we are totally dependent on Earth. So therefore, it is very meaningful that we keep a day to remember our Mother Earth, who provides everything. In spite of all the pain we cause to the nature, still our Mother Earth will love each one of us and provide us everything.
Ko ki ramba, ko ki lokme ki lokpa, ko ki khana school. Baik, jom kena kathai, jom ni. Balai ba nagaliang jom kaseng ramba, nishim ni kena kalah. Kakapu ban penlong ni kena program, ke World Environment Day. Ukpa bakoi jom ni. Ula Banjur, Pope Francis ula Banjur, ba kum kisakri, kijong play, kum kisakri, kijong kabalang, kum kinong syong senong jong kabalang, jong kaperhei berakoi, ni don kam bandri ban sumar, ia kan ike caka, ia kan ike senong katau, kaba ublei ulabu nak kata jongi.